Nanawagan ng mga malalaking business group ng mandatory lifestyle check sa mga government officials, kabilang sina PBBM at VP Sara. Game naman daw ang ilang miyembro ng gabinete. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Paulo Barcelon.
Nanawagan ng Financial Executive Institute of the Philippines of FINEC, Justice Reform Initiative, Makati Business Club, Management Association of the Philippines, Shareholders Association of the Philippines, at Institute for Solidarity in Asia sa mga government official na sumailalim sila sa lifestyle checks. Ayon sa mga grupo, madali naman daw gawin ng lifestyle audits ngayon, lalo't accessible na ang digital footprints na nagpapakita ng patterns ng paggastos, travel, social media activity, at mga pag-aari ng public officials. Ayon kay FINEX President EJ Quahiansen, epektibo ang lifestyle checks dahil dito makikita na hindi dapat magamit ang anumang public office para magpayaman. Suportado ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry o PCCI ang statement ng 6 na grupo. Ayon kay PCCI Vice President for Trade Brian Ang, panahon na para ang mga negosyante naman ang maghanap ng accountability mula sa mga taong naniningil sa kanila ng buwis.
Before, when BIR would conduct lifestyle checks on businessmen, today it should be the opposite. It should be the private sector conducting lifestyle checks on their accountable public officials. Anyway, many of us shop at these malls and go to these exclusive country clubs. If ever you see your government official there, that should raise a red flag. Because government officials to begin with should not live ostentatious lifestyles.
Dagdag ni Ang, dapat din sumailalim dito sina PBBM at VP Sara.
This applies to all elected officials. And actually, my recommendation is if you find any of these erring officials living lavish lifestyles or spending extravagantly, isumbong mo sa Pangulo. There is that website put up by the President.
Ilang opisyal na ang kinontak ng Bilyonaryo News Channel para makuha kung game ba sila sa lifestyle check. Si Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel, simple lang ang sagot. Yes, of course. Kasado rin sa Lifestyle Check Challenge si Trade Secretary Cristina Roque.
I'm open to that. Actually, this was asked from me also before. Yes, I'm open to that. Walang problema po yan.
Dagdag ng business groups, hindi na sapat ang transparency lamang. Dapat na raw maging mas aktibo pa ang Office of the Ombudsman sa pagpapanagot sa mga kurakot at pagbawi ng kanilang ill-gotten wealth. Para sa agenda, Paulo Barcelon, Bilyonaryo News Channel.